Good afternoon, students. We were reading the chapter The Adventure of Toto by Ruskin Bonds. Okay, the narrator of this chapter is Ruskin Bond, and we were reading about the adventure of a Toto, that is the adventure of a monkey. Okay, so it's a mischievous monkey who often gets into a trouble with his antics. So, without wasting our time, let's continue our chapter. So his presence in the house still a secret. Okay, still a secret because her grandmother doesn't know about that there is a monkey, okay, in their house. So Toto was now transferred to a big cage in the servants quarter, okay, where there are quarters for the servants. So he was now shifted to the big cage in the servants quarter, where a number of grandfathers pet lived with us sociably together. Now there were many pets, because as we all know that his grandfather had a private zoo, so there were many pets were lived there. Okay, so they lived sociably together. Now a tortoise, a pair of rabbits, a tame squirrel, and for a while my pet goat. Now my pet goat, it means about the Ruskin Bond is saying that about my pet goat. Okay, so but the monkey wouldn't allow any of his companions to sleep at night. Now as we all know that he's a very notorious or making nuisance things, so वो किसी को भी वहाँ पे सोने नहीं देता है. So grandfather, what grandfather does now, so grandfather, who had to leave Dehradun next day to collect his pension in Saharanpur. Now they were living in the Dehra, and now his grandfather has to leave for the Saharanpur just for to collect the pension. Decided to take him along. Now his grandfather decided that he will take that Toto with him. Okay, so unfortunately I couldn't accompany grandfather on that trip. Now he that line says by the Ruskin Bond that मैं उनके साथ में नहीं जा सकता, but he told me about it afterwards. Now what happened, a big black canvas kit bag was provided for Toto. Now there is a big black canvas kit. It was a very thick, okay, so that Toto can easily manage. They can easily hide the mischievous monkey in that bag. Okay, so this with some straws at the bottom became his new abode. Okay, now in this bag there were some straws. Straws means some twigs. Okay, and twigs. Okay, twigs in that जो घास या जो टहनियाँ होती है. Now it becomes his new abode. Abode means his home, or we can say that habitat. Okay, उसकी रहने की place. When the bag was closed, there was no escape. As we close the bag, as we zip the bag, now there is no place that he can escape from that place. Okay, now उसमें कोई space नहीं है कि वो जो उससे बाहर आ सकता है. Toto could not get his hands through the opening, and the canvas was too strong for him to bite his way through. Now वो कितने भी efforts कर ले उसको काट नहीं सकता, उसके हाथ वो वहाँ से बाहर नहीं ला सकता उसको खोलने के लिए. His efforts to get out only had the effect of making the bag roll about on the floor or occasionally jump into the air. Okay, now he can do only thing that he can roll on the floor. ओके विद द बैग. ओके, जब वो अंदर रोल करेगा तो बैग भी उसके साथ में रोल करेगा, और ही कैन जम्प विद द बैग. ओके, an exhibition that attracted curious crowd of onlookers on the Dehradun railway platform. Now onlookers means viewers, audience, or the many people were there, okay, on the platform. So they were attracted कि ये क्या चीज़ हो रही है, and they were very curious कि ये चीज़ क्या हो रही है, क्योंकि बैग उसमें रोल कर रहा था. Now Toto remained in the bag as far as Saharanpur. Okay, उसको उसी के अंदर रहना था जब तक कि सहारनपुर ना आ जाए. But while grandfather was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile means main gate. So as his ticket he was producing his ticket at the railway turnstile, Toto suddenly poked his head out of the bag. Okay, now poked means बाहर निकलना, come out. Okay, his head out of the bag and gave a ticket collector a wide grin. जब उसके अंदर टोटो उसी के बैग के अंदर है, और तभी टिकट कलेक्टर जब आता है और वो अपने टिकट, जो ग्रैंडफादर होते हैं, ही वॉज गिविंग द टिकट टू द ticket collector. Now Toto suddenly poked from that bag and gave a wide green means ब्रॉड स्माइल. ओके, इतनी तेज, जो तेज मतलब खुल के जो हंसते हैं, स्माइल है, डेट इज़ नोन एज द वाइड ग्रीन. द पुअर मैन वॉज टेकन अ बैग. नाउ हेयर द पुअर मैन, इट मीन्स टिकट कलेक्टर, was taken aback. Taken aback means shocked. Now the ticket collector was shocked, but with great presence of mind and much to grandfather's annoyance, he said, "Sir, you have a dog with you, so you will have to pay for it." Okay. Now ticket collector says that कि आपके पास, you have a dog in that bag, so you have to pay extra charge for that. Now in vain did grandfather take out in vain did grandfather take Toto out of the bag. In vain did he try to prove that a monkey did not qualify as a dog or even as a quadruped. Now what happened? In vain, it means little bit anger. With anger, जो grandfather थे वो टोटो को बैग में से बाहर निकालते हैं. Try to prove that it is not a, it's a monkey, it is not a quadruped. Quadruped means animal who has 4 leg, चार जो पैर जो होते हैं. It is a monkey. Now Toto was classified a dog by the ticket collector, but the ticket collector says no, it's a dog. And 3 rupees was the sum handed over as his fare. Now उसको जो grandfather उसको बोलते हैं, you have to pay for the 3 rupees. Okay. Then the grandfather, just to get his own bag, took from his pocket our pet tortoise and said, "What must I pay for this, since you charge for all animals?" नाउ उसके बाद में जो ग्रैंडफादर हैं वो थोड़ा सा एंगर हो जाते हैं, एंड वो अपनी पॉकेट में से एक और एनिमल बाहर निकालते हैं, डैट इज़ अ टॉर्टॉइज, और कहते हैं कि इसके लिए भी पे करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर. आई सजेस्ट यू जस्ट रीड द नेक्स्ट रिमेनिंग पार्ट एज योर होमवर्क. Okay, so I will definitely discuss you, I will explain you in our next video. So it's enough for today. Okay.